Hello guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video we'll be talking about how to transfer USDT from Safepal to Binance app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Binance app. This is my Binance app. Logging into your Binance app, you just have to tap on your wallet. Tapping on your wallet, you have to tap on add fund. Tap on chain deposit. Select the crypto that you want to work with, which is USDT. Select the network. I'll be making use of TRC20 because it's more convenient and more easier. The next thing I have to do is to copy my deposit address. If you look at it, you see there is no memo. You just copy your deposit address, head straight to your Safepal. My Safepal, I just have to scroll down and tap on USDT TRC20. Tapping on it, I just have to tap on send option. The next thing I have to do is to paste the wallet address I just copied, my deposit address I just copied. Then enter the amount that I wish to withdraw from my Safepal to my Binance app. Let me say I want to withdraw 2 USDT. So you can see the maximum and you can see the available balance is 0 USDT. Then you see the option for memo. Though I don't have memo on my Binance app, so I can just leave it like that because it's already written here that is optional. The next thing I have to do is to tap on next. I don't have sufficient funds, so this transaction will not be completed. But if you have sufficient funds, this transaction will be completed and it's going to be sent within a minute to your Binance app. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.